Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer feedback with Typeform, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Typeform website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, click on the create button to start building your new form. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your preference. If you opt for a template, browse the options and select one that fits your needs. Next, customize the title of your Typeform to reflect the purpose of the feedback. Add an engaging introduction to encourage participants to provide their input. Begin adding questions by selecting the question type that suits your feedback goals. For customer feedback, consider using multiple choice questions for easy responses. Incorporate open-ended questions to gather detailed insights from your customers. Adjust the settings for each question, such as making certain questions mandatory. After adding all your questions, review the flow of the form for clarity and cohesion. Next, customize the design elements to align with your brand's aesthetics. Click on the Design tab to change colors, fonts, and backgrounds as needed. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the Publish button to make your Typeform live. You will be provided with a link to share your form with customers. Consider embedding the Typeform directly on your website for easier access. Share the link via email, social media, or through your customer communication channels. Encourage your customers to complete the feedback form by highlighting its importance. After collecting responses, navigate to the Results section to analyze the feedback. Utilize the analysis tools provided by Typeform to gain insights into customer sentiments. Implement the feedback you receive to improve your products or services. Finally, make it a habit to regularly collect and review customer feedback for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.